birth of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I can see there's a lot of people walking around. Food is going to be served in a short while, so please do bear with us for these last few items on the agenda. We are grateful also that we've got amongst us the Mayor of the Borough of Rochdale, Councillor Robert Parker, who I'd like to invite him to say a few words, if you may.
May I first take this opportunity in the vote of thanks of publicly thanking Usman, who came to the Holocaust Memorial Service as a Muslim and gave an incredibly sensitive speech given what was happening in Gaza at the time. Thank you very much, Usman. This is an unprecedented conference in so much that we have been invited as Christians and other faiths to participate. And I would offer a vote of thanks on behalf of the Multi-Faith Partnership to all of you for how you organised this, for having invited us. But it isn't the first precedent, because before Christmas, celebrate the birth of Jesus, I also invited Imam Gofan to come here to the carol service and read from the Quran, appropriate parts regarding the birth of Jesus. And I think the key thing today is that what we must remember from this, and if I actually used the word at that time, our two great faiths, is what we have in common is far greater than what we have in division. And I think listening to everyone today, the one thing I picked out was the concept of jihad and the broadness of it, which would probably in Christian terms be seek first the kingdom of heaven. So thank you very much, and it has been a very good evening.